Well, hello. On today's episode, we have a little paint project, and I transform myself into a half naked Picasso. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, on this episode, the products we'll be using for project number one, which is to paint all the bare wood. We built a few things, the cabinet, the bed, everything is bare wood, so we need to paint that. We do not want absolutely no bare wood in a van. It will keep the moisture and the odors. Therefore, the product we are using today, bathroom ceiling paint. Those ceilings see a lot of moisture. This is the product we're going to use in the van. It's basically flat white. When you apply it, it is pink and it dries white. Guys, project number two on this video. This door has some carpet at the bottom. The carpet kind of faded away, so we want to change that. Since it's light gray charcoal, we're going with some black. This one is carpet and fabric paint. Available at every hardware store around your place. Works great. I've done this before on the Trans Am I had. So yeah, let's get at it. Hello? Anybody in there? Hello? Oh, just me. Ah! I just got paint all over my misfit shirt. What's going on here? I said I don't want only the best for my cat's poop room. Works. Here you go. Put in this piece here first.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Start with that.
Get your screws.
Will do, buckaroo.
This is a little cubby where we can put a bunch of stuff, maybe toiletry or food. This is where our porta potty is gonna go, which is right there for now. Everything for battery and solar panels and all the connections are gonna go under here, but we're not quite finished here. And our bed.
It's project number 2 underway. Like I said, we're going to paint these carpets. So I'm just going to mask all this area off so we don't have overspray, and it keeps it nice and white. So yeah, here's a time lapse of it. You carry a blade on you? You still a blade guy, or are you one of those multi-tool guys? Leatherman. Let us know in the comments below. Yeah, sorry I didn't film the other ones. The wind got crazy, and spray paint outside, black, white van. Not a good combination, so I just put the camera down and make sure, but I'll give you guys a walk around. Give me a second. Alright guys, so here it is. This is our main door. Did this one also. Give you a little walk around here. Oh, that door is locked. Here's the other one. I know the lighting's bad. Okay guys, so part 2 of project number 2. Carpet, you can see it here. It's underneath this black mat also. So after painting the doors, we decided that we're going to paint the whole carpet up front here underneath this mat, just to keep things nice and fresh, you know. So yeah, here we go. Guess who forgot to plug their mic in? Comment below. Well, there you have it. Another Van Bill episode done. It looks small, but it made the big difference.
Yeah, I really enjoy making this project together and to actually see our van becoming a tiny home on wheels.
It was a fun project. Hopefully you guys are going to be there for the next episode. We are going to tackle our batteries. We are upgrading our battery bank, relocating, a whole bunch of stuff. Hopefully you guys can be there.
So thanks for watching. Let us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an episode.
Peace.